Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 12 Prepare Statistics and Analysis Part B. So if you want to complete my MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So question number 2 is in a cell E1 calculate the average weekly message sale from the data in B3 to B9 in cell E2 and calculate the sample standard deviation from the same data in a cell E1. So select the cell is E1 and calculate the average weekly message sale from the data B3 to B9 in cell E2 calculate the sample standard deviation from the same data. So type is equal to and type the average function and range is B3 to B9. B3 to B9 close bracket and press enter. So result is 29.857. Next is in cell E2 calculate the sample standard deviation from the same data. In cell E2 type is equal to and type the stat function and B3 to B9 and close bracket and press enter. So result is 6.5683. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in cell E5 calculate the probability of the selling more than 30 message in the given time frame and remember that the nor just function will calculate the less than or x. In order to get more than x you will need to take the 1 and 1 DHST in cell E5. So select the cell is E5 and E5 is more than 13. So type the 13 and type is equal to 1 minus NORM. So NORM dist and select the cell is E4 and type the comma and E1 type comma and select the E2 type comma and type the true and close bracket and press enter. So result is 49.30%. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in cell I2 calculate the quantity of message sold at 4 standard deviation above the mean and multiply the standard deviation in cell H2 by the standard deviation in cell E2 and add the average from E1 to their product. Be sure to log the shared cell so that the function can be copied down the column and autofill the function through cell I82. So multiply by the in cell H2. So select the H2 and E2 deviation average in E1 and be sure that the function can be copied on the column and output column I82. So select the I2 and type is equal to select the H2 multiply by H2 multiplied by E2. So select the cell is E2 and press F4 button, absolute cell reference plus E1. E1 absolute cell reference and press enter. So result is 56 and autofill function to I82. So apply the autofit functions, copy the formula I2 to I82. I82. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is on the message cell worksheets and in cell J2 use the norm function to calculate the probability of a sales level in I2 and using the mean in cell E1 and the standard deviation in cell E2 and copy the function down to cell J82. So select the cell is J2 in cell J2 and type is equal to norm dist functions and select the I2 type a comma and E1 and apply the absolute cell reference, press F4 button, type comma and type the E2 and type a comma and type the false and close bracket and press enter. Next is copy the function down to cell J82. So copy the function J2 to J82. So copy the function J2 to J82. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on the call campaign worksheets use the binom function to calculate the successes during the phone campaigns and giving the sample size of 30 and 30% success rate in cell B5 use the binom functions to calculate the exactly 0 out of 30 and this call with results to the successful sign up. Copy the function down to cell B35. So binom functions in cell B5. So select the cell is B5, sorry, on the call campaign worksheets. So call campaign worksheets and next is binom function in cell B5. So select the cell is B5 and type is equal to type the binom function binom functions and next is given the sample size of 30 and 30% success rate in cell B5 that exactly 0 out of 30 calls with the result in the successful sign up. So select the A5 and type the comma in cell B1 and apply the absolute cell reference, type a comma in cell B2, apply the absolute cell reference, type comma and type the false and close bracket. So result is 0.00% and copy the function to cell B35. So copy the function in cell B35, copy the function in cell B35. So question number 6 is complete. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, on the online order worksheet in cell A22, A25, and use the expand dist function to calculate the probability of sales in the number of hours display in column B. In cell F3, use the if error and the VLOOKUP function to calculate the estimated time when the next 10 orders will occur, and use the rand function as a lookup value in the VLOOKUP function to copy the formula cell F12 in cell H2. Calculate the online sale occurring with the next 5 to 10 hours, subtracting the of on online sales occurring the 5 year and probability of an occurring with the 10 hour or less than. In online order worksheets, and in cell A2 to A25. So select the A2 to A25, A2 to 25, and if error function. So type is equal to, and type the if error function, and type the VLOOKUP function, and rand function, and type the inverted commas to A2 to B25, A2 to B25, and type the command type 2, and type the trio, close bracket, comma 1, and close bracket, and press enter. So result is 0. And copy the function A2 to A25. So next is, if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.